Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the classification of amino acids and the bioamines. Right, first, what is an amino acid? This is a general structure you're seeing here. We have the hydrogen, R group, amino and the carboxyl ions. Okay, mainly alpha form it is. We will discuss the classification based on chemistry, polarity, nutrition and metabolic fate. Chemistry first, we have the simple amino acids like glycine and alanine. Then we are finding the branched chain, valine, leucine and isoleucine. We are finding the hydroxyl amino acids, serine and threonine. Along here, you are finding the sulfur amino acids. Cysteine you will get from the condensation of the sulfhydryl groups. And here methionine, okay? And with amide groups, asparagine and glutamine. Dicarboxylic acids, aspartic and glutamic acid. The dibasic ones, arginine and lysine. Okay, even histidine also there. And now aromatic, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan also you are seeing with the indole ring. Okay. Yes, let's come to the polarity. So we have the non-polar and polar. Under non-polar, remember it as AVLI, MPTP. Alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan and proline. Polar, GAG, SCTT. Remember it like that. Glycine, aspartate, glutamate, asparagine, glutamine, serine, cysteine, threonine and tyrosine. This is polar without charge in the R group. The positive will be the basic, negative will be the amido and the dicarboxylic acids of aspartate and glutamate. Nutrition now. We have the essential, non-essential and semi-essential. Essential. Remember it as his mat will fly. Histidine, methionine, arginine, threonine, tryptophan, valine, isoleucine, leucine, phenylalanine and lysine. Non-essential. Remember it as gas, CAG, TP. Glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, aspartate, glutamate, even asparagine, glutamine, threonine, proline and tyrosine. Semi-essential, remember it as R. Arginine and histidine. Now in terms of definition, please write definition also, very important. Essential will be taken through diet, not made by the body. Exactly opposite is non-essential. Semi-essential will be synthesized in the adults, not in the children. Okay. Now based on metabolic fate, we have glycogenic, ketogenic and glycoketogenic. Glycogenic. Alanine, aspartate, glycine and methionine. Ketogenic, we have the leucine and lysine. Glycoketogenic, we have isoleucine and aromatic amino acids, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. Let us go to the bioamines. We have amino acid derivatives in proteins, non-protein amino acids, D-amino acids and amino acids as drugs. Okay. So for example, we'll take 2-3 examples for amino acid derivatives. Collagen is best and histones. Collagen is 4-hydroxyproline and 5-hydroxylysine. Histones are nothing but proteins. You know, right, the histone octamer I told you in DNA and RNA video. Yeah, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. Like this, there will be 2 units. Through that, the negative charged DNA, okay, will be wrapping around 200 base pairs of it. Then non-protein amino acids, there is a table I'll tell you in a short while. D amino acids, for example, take D-serine and D-aspartate in the brain tissue. So here the non-protein amino acids, alpha and non-alpha, no need of all the examples, just a few to quote. take urea cycle intermediates and thyroid hormones. Enough. Okay. Urea cycle intermediates, ornithine, citrulline and argininosuccinic acid. Non-alpha, you can take beta-alanine and taurine. This beta-alanine we have come across somewhere. Pyrimidine breakdown was forming the beta-alanine, and also it is a component of the vitamin B5. Taurine is for the bile acids, right? Glycocolate and taurocolates. Okay, right. Yes, and amino acids as drugs. D-amino acids I already told. Then amino acids as drugs. We have N-acetylcysteine. And please note this point, in the recent studies of COVID-19, they have found that this N-acetylcysteine to be effective. There is one study suggesting this drug for COVID-19. Okay, this N-acetylcysteine and cystic fibrosis treatment. Gabapentin is an anticonvulsant. The composition is not important, but just I will tell for information's sake. Gamma amino butyrate and cyclohexane. Okay, no need of this composition, just remember gabapentin is anticonvulsant. Enough. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.